Hello, type class, week 6 announcement. Great job so far the first 5 weeks. I've loved seeing the different type solutions, type explorations that you've come up with till date. Please be active in the announcement portion when I post different student samples and imagery. Each week I try to highlight a few of the students' submissions to inspire as a class and to get a little bit of dialogue going. Great job so far on the voice threads. I've really enjoyed listening to the commentary and each of your opinions and analysis on the weekly topic. Like I said, I've tried to inspire you on Mondays and follow up with announcements on Wednesdays and Thursdays, along with the video tutorial of the lay of the land each week. So you can see we've had some just really great solutions so far as we've explored letters, numbers, and symbols throughout the first 5 weeks of the course, so keep up the good work. And now you kind of see how my format is, kind of how I like to work. And so let's go ahead and dive into our coursework for week 6 so you can see what we're going to be tackling for week 6. And so let's go ahead in here. And this week's voice thread, I'm going to go ahead and open that up real quick so you can see what we'll be talking about this week in our voice thread. A topic that I think is interesting. It's right here. So let me close that for a second. This is a Target package of water they're now selling in the super Targets, the grocery store side. I'm looking at some commentary on this type-only white box with black letters. Kind of see what you think about it. Go ahead and watch what I have to say, and then let's see what you come up with. So you have your voice thread for the week. You have your Chapter 4 written exam, terminology. And then we have our week 6 practicum. This week we're going to dive into actually an app that's available on iTunes and Google Play, which is one that I've created called Triptica. And you can download it to any smart device. If you do not have a smartphone or a tablet or any kind of smart device, you can recreate these projects using Photoshop. I hope that you do have a smart device, but if you don't, you can go ahead and use Photoshop to recreate what we're trying to create here. You can go to triptica.com and download either through the iTunes icon or the Google Play icon. And we're going to do letters through found objects this week. And you can see I spelled out a word, taking pictures of different letters around campus, which is our first mini project. And then I've had the students take the uppercase letter M, and by taking photos in each of the 9 boxes of different things, they've tried to recreate the letter M. And so the project is making images out of found objects. The theme is Found Objects Visual Communication. This project is all about finding letters in the real world naturally. There are 2 mini projects here using Triptica. Please download it to any smart device by going to triptica.com. And remember, there are videos that I've posted on how to use the app. Please watch those videos before you start the mini projects. So go ahead and download it from the site. Select the first mini project. You need to select a box pattern that has the number of boxes that you need for your first name. And there's all kinds of different box sequencing canvases when you first create a new document in the app. Go ahead and pick the one that is closest to the number of boxes you need for your first name. And if there's an odd box, one that you don't need for the letters in your name, go ahead and do not put an image in that box, and then it'll just export as a white box. So your name will only fill in from the photos you take of the found objects. So for project 1, I want you to create your name, first name, by taking pictures in each box of found letters in the world, naturally or on labels and logos that you own, like you can see here with the Pimp and Joy, where I took pictures of different letters that I found around campus. Your second project is to create the uppercase letter M using the 9 box canvas, so 3, 3, and 3. And you need to take a photo in each one of the non-boxes of a different object, a different thing. And through those 9 images, we should be able to tell the uppercase letter M. So let's see how you do with that. This is one of the student samples. They took pictures of different projects in the lab, and then they matched them and rotated them in each box to make the uppercase M. These two projects are getting you to see positive and negative space through found objects, and that letters are more than just the typed ones that you create in a design program or a Word document or something like that. So let's see what you come up with. Upon creating each of the two mini projects, you can export a JPEG by email, so you can email the image to yourself, and then you can upload the two images to Blackboard. So let's see what you come up with this week. All right, have a great week.